Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2013 Cadillac Escalade. Mocha steel metallic. Beautiful color. This is not your average Escalade. This is the luxury package. It's got every bells and whistle, including a nice set of 22-inch wheels with a brand new set of Hankook tires. What a beauty. We've got the towing package, backup camera, backup sensors, power lift gate, LED tail lights. Got the running boards, nice tinted windows. Probably one of the best SUV made on the market. I've sold quite a few of them. Took a few of these on vacation. Great vehicle. It's got the HID automatic headlights, fog lights, tow hooks. It's got remote engine start. All you do is lock it. Push and hold this button. Cranks right up. 6.2 V8. Keyless entry. Does have a clean Carfax. Southern vehicle, no rust, non-smoker. Still looks brand new. We've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's even got power folding mirrors. In a tight spot, garage or car wash, you can close them in. You got your blind spot monitor system, memory seat. We've got dual power seat, heated and cool seats, heated leather seat and air conditioning in the middle. Leather's in real good shape for a 13, no sign of excessive wear. Got your automatic headlights. We've got clean carpets and floor mats. Power tilt steering wheel. Got your leather wrap steering wheel with the wood grain. All you do now is you stick your key in and it cranks right up. Only 77,500 miles. I've seen these with 200,000-300,000 miles. They're just well-made vehicle, long lasting if you take care of it. Got your trip computer. Got the tow mode. You can upshift and downshift here. Got your front rear wiper control, cruise control, heated steering wheel, all your audio controls on the steering wheel for the radio. Got nice touch screen here. Got navigation system. Audio, AM, FM, XM, CD, satellite. Dual climate control. There's your air conditioned seat, heated seat, adjustable power pedals. That's right, we've got backup camera and the sensors. Got your cup holder, nice armrest with some storage. I've got the extra key, owner's manual. How about the original price on this thing? $69,000. It's ridiculous. This is why I don't get many of these anymore. They're so expensive. New people hang on to them. A new one like this is in the 80s. Got automatic headlights, automatic high beam. You got your OnStar, HomeLink universal garage door opener, power sunroof. Get the Bose sound system. Sounds great. You got your classic analog clock. It's very clean, no stains. It's a nice running board. I hope the camera shows the color nice. It's really sharp. Body's in good shape. Got the capstan chairs. We've got nice built-in DVD in the headrest. You load them up, the individual player. You can put your DVD up here, and there's one here too. Or you can watch, you can load here and watch watch the same movie on both if you change the input. It's got a good picture on it. Here you've got your third audio control for the passenger. Got a little sun here. You got heated seat in the back too, and your climate control for the back passenger. Got an outlet, cup holders. Got all your wireless headset, remote, game controller because it's got built-in games. Keep all the kids happy. There's access to your third seat. Third seat folds down forward too, or you can actually take it out completely if you need it. There's a movie. How about those wheels? Those are nice Cadillac wheels, 22-inch, no curb rash, no rust. Brand new set of rubber. Ride smooth as silk. You can do it with the remote, or you can squeeze this back here and the tailgate would open. You can fold the seat down. It's nice and clean. Got another power outlet back here. There's your receiver hitch. It's behind this cover. If you don't need it, it covers it up, makes it look prettier. This is how you can select another. These are the internal games. That's if you had another input. And that's the second unit. So basically, they're both playing the same thing. Very nice. Power seat and lumbar support on the passenger also. Very clean. Those wheels just sets it off. Here you've got the bulletproof 6.2 liter V8, 400 horse. I think it might be just a little bit more, but it's got plenty of power. Reliable. I've never had to really fix any of these, just regular maintenance. Got a nice clean engine compartment, no rust. It's been serviced. Everything works like it should. This Escalade is going to come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile powertrain warranty. I consider you an extended warranty, but it does come with a warranty. If you're looking for a nice luxury SUV and don't want to mortgage the house to buy one, this should do it. To see if the Escalade is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available too, with lower interest rate and good terms. I have a secure credit application on my website, so you can fill it out and I'll get to work, see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.